Here's the app called Theo, Prayer and Meditations, Affirmation Stories, Bible. So here is the app. You can just see it in here. Pray, learn, grow closer to God together. Since we started using Theo in our bedtime routine, our evenings have completely changed. Bring your family closer to God. So connect with God through daily prayers, religious reflection, audio meditations. Reaffirm your identity in God with daily affirmation. So here is the app. Guided prayers, Bible stories, meditations, faithful and safe content. And then, yeah, here you have the app. You can just open it up. And then you have continue. And then you can then just create your account. Pick a name for a child's profile. So how old is Andrew? The child's and then you see this onboarding screen, and so there is family street goal, and then you can continue, and then here it is. Here is the app. So this is mostly like Bible for kids app. So there is 7 days free, and then $60 per year, or 1 month for $4. 1 month for $4, then $60 per year. So these are the. Unfortunately, there is no actually like a free trial. Oh wait, there is like a very limited daily version. So there is like a 25% off, and then there is like a some nice prayers. There is your streak. There are settings, and so yeah, that's basically the idea in here. So there you have it.